Now take page number 15. Page number 15. Look, think and answer. Look, think and answer. See, spot the odd one out. Spot the odd one out. See, circle the odd one out in the group. Discuss why it is different from the rest. Circle the odd one out in the group. Discuss why it is different from the rest. See the first one. Tabla, Dolak, Veena, Mridangam. Tabla, Dolak, Veena, Mridangam. See which is the odd one here. Veena is the odd one because all other instruments are said to be percussion instrument. All other instruments are said to be percussion instrument. Only Veena is the stringed instrument. So Veena is the odd one out. Second one. Move on to the second one. Hammer, saw, screwdriver, nail. Hammer, saw, screwdriver, nail. See in this which is the odd one? Which is the odd one here? Nail is the odd one. Nail is the odd one because all others are said to be tools. All others are said to be tools. Okay. So nail is not a tool. Okay. So that is the odd one out. Third one, discuss, hammer, shot put, relay. Discuss, hammer, shot put, relay. See here you have one picture. Here an athlete is throwing a shot put. Okay, an athlete is throwing a shot put. See children, discuss, hammer, shot put, all are related to throwing events or all are related to throwing events, but relay is not a throwing event. So that is said to be an odd one. Okay, next fourth one. See the fourth one. Cheetah, jaguar, wolf, puma. Cheetah, jaguar, wolf, puma. See in this which is the odd one out? Wolf is the odd one. Wolf is the odd one because all others are said to be cat family. Cheetah, jaguar, puma are all said to be cat family. So wolf is the odd one. Wolf is the odd one. Next move on to the fifth one. See the fifth one. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, TV remote. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, TV remote. So this one you can easily find because TV remote is the odd one because all others are parts of a computer. So TV remote is not a part of the computer. So that is the odd one out. Next sixth one. See 28, 49, 54, 63, 84. See in this numbers 54 is the odd one out. 54 is the odd one out because all other numbers are multiples of 7. If you check in 7 table, all other numbers are multiples of 7. So 54 is the odd one. See the seventh one children. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, pentagon. Rectangle, square, parallelogram, pentagon. So pentagon is the odd one out because all others are having 4 sides. All others are having 4 sides. So pentagon is the odd one. So you have to circle the pentagon. Eighth one. Orange, banana, watermelon, guava. Orange, banana, watermelon, guava. See here guava is the odd one out because all others you have to peel the outer part and you have to eat the inner part, but guava you can eat as it is. So guava is the odd one. Ninth one. Necklace, tie, sweater, muffler. Necklace, tie, sweater, muffler. See here which is the odd one? Sweater is the odd one because all others are you have to wear around your neck, but sweater you can wear in your body. So all others only you can wear around your neck. So sweater is the odd one. Okay, now 10th one. Bazaar, supermarket, bank, shopping mall. Bazaar, supermarket, bank, shopping mall. In this which is the odd one? Bank is the odd one. Bank is the odd one because all others are the place where we buy things. Bazaar, supermarket, shopping mall and all, you used to buy things from there. Only bank is not useful for that purpose. So bank is the odd one. 11th one. Restaurant, grocery shop, snack bar, canteen. Restaurant, grocery shop, snack bar, canteen. Here, which is the odd one out? Yes, grocery shop is the odd one out because all other places are eateries. All other places are eateries, but grocery shop you will buy things. So grocery shop is the odd one out. See the 12th one. See the 12th one. Professor, teacher, trainer or coach, engineer. Professor, teacher, trainer or coach, engineer. Here which is the odd one out? Engineer. Engineer is the odd one out because all others will teach. Professor, teacher, trainer or coach will teach others, but engineer doesn't teach. So engineer is the odd one. Move on to the 13th one. See some symbols of maths has given. Plus, minus, into, division is equal to. So five options are there. So in this, which is the odd one? Equal to is the odd one because all other symbols tell us what to do, whether you have to add or subtract or multiply or divide, but equal to is different from that. So equal to is the odd one out. 14th one, Lucknow, Mizoram, Assam, Karnataka, Punjab. Lucknow, Mizoram, Assam, Karnataka, Punjab. See in this which is the odd one out? Yes, Lucknow is the odd one because all others are states. All others are states, but Lucknow is a city. So Lucknow is the odd one out. 15th one, phone call, email, letter, book. Phone call, email, letter, book. Here which is the odd one out? Yes, book is the odd one out because all others are a means of communication. All others are means of communication, but book is not a mean of communication. So book is the odd one out.